Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, my friend. Today we're making a milkshake, avocado milkshake, and this avocado milkshake we're gonna use dates in there and banana, and we're gonna use some ice cream. So shall we start now? Okay guys, this thing, I'm gonna cut this avocado. You have to be careful when you cut avocado, so I will just show you techniques of how you do it. Alright, and from top you just slice, a straight slice in there. Alright, okay, and just twist this and it will come out. Okay, then what you do, you just tap on there, right, slowly, and just twist it, and it will come out. Okay guys, I'll put this on one side. And you just slightly put your spoon in there, turn, twist it slowly, and it will come out. Yeah, I just put this in there. Same thing I'm gonna do other one. Okay guys, it's empty. I'm gonna put about this 2 spoon ice cream in there. This one side, that one side. I'll go about 5 dates. I'm gonna use 1 banana. Yeah, my grandson say it's a yellow banana. He's not gonna say just a banana, say yellow banana. And I'm gonna use some condensed milk. So because it's condensed milk already sweet, so you don't have to use the sugar on it. I got about 300 milliliter of milk, and I'm gonna use some ice in there. I'm gonna some ice cube. It's very easy, and it's very healthy as well. The avocado is very good for health. Dates is very good. You know, the bananas. Okay guys, it's ready. I'm gonna take it out. Guys, I'm gonna put some ice on top here. and the straws here. Okay guys, this is avocado milkshake ready, and I use some dates and banana as well in there, so it's very nice. You should try that as well. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.